In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Power BI KPI dashboard. By the end, you'll know how to add a clean, informative KPI visual to your report so you can quickly track performance against your goals. Start by opening Microsoft Power BI. Give it a moment to load your environment. We'll be working right inside the report canvas where visuals live. Next, open a report you want to enhance with KPIs. This can be any existing report that already points to your data model. If your organization maintains a central dataset, make sure you've connected to it beforehand so your fields appear in the panes we're about to use. On the right side of the screen, look for the Data pane. This is where all your tables and fields are listed. If you don't see it, check that the Data pane is visible in your layout settings. Take a second to expand the relevant table so you can view the fields you'll be using. Good KPI candidates are a primary metric you care about, like sales amount or profit, a date field for the trend, and, if available, a target or goal value. Now, select your metric field in the Data pane and drag it onto the report canvas. Power BI will drop in a default visual with that field assigned. Don't worry about which visual appears first. We're about to switch it to a KPI. While you're here, make sure the field is the correct data type, and if your dataset includes a date, have that ready as well so the KPI can show a time-based trend. With the visual selected on the canvas, go to the Visualizations pane on the right. This pane controls what kind of visual you're creating and how it's configured. You'll see a gallery of visual icons, and beneath that, the fields well where you connect your data to the visual. Choose the KPI visual from the Visualizations pane. The icon looks like a gauge-style indicator with a trend line. Once selected, the visual switches to a KPI layout. Map your metric to the indicator field. Place your date field on the trend axis so the KPI can display progress over time, and, if you have a goal, assign it to the target field. Power BI will calculate the current value, compare it to the target when provided, and color the status accordingly. You can fine-tune the formatting, like units, decimal places, and labels, right in the same pane to make the KPI easier to read at a glance. That's it. You've added a KPI to your report, turning raw numbers into a quick performance snapshot. Repeat this process for your other key metrics to build out your KPI dashboard.